What's up mga kapishida? It's me again, Jezabel Ilyang, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is for today's video. Gagawa na naman po ako ng panibago kong video. At kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, i-click mo na ang subscribe button, the bell button besides para ma-notified kayo sa mga bago kong video. So ang video na ito is magre-react ako ngayon sa isa sa member ng Blackpink. So request lang din po ito. So i-react ko lang siya. Yung title ng song na to is On the Ground by Rose, na isa sa member ng Blackpink. So, alam ko na sa inyo, kilala nyo na sila kasi sila yung famous. And, ayan, wag na natin itong patagalin. Without further ado, let's go to the video. Magre-react lang tayo. This song is about her life. So meaningful. Great, Rose. Everyone agrees that she is making everyone's day more better. So, Rose is the best. The best talaga si Rose. Ang ganda niya. Okay. This song is simple, beautiful, and she isn't singing about love, breakup or money, but about her journey. Para sa journey talaga niya, hindi niya inaano sa pera lang. Para sa journey niya. So, everything I need is on the background. Sabi niya, on the background. So, yung song na to is about her life, about sa buhay niya, and so meaningful talaga siya. So, and makikita mo talaga na maraming tao to prefer gun more than on the ground. So, napakaganda ng song na ito. And, maganda din naman yung gumawa. So, great. Nice. She's so pretty talaga. Yung song na to is about her life, about sa buhay niya, and so meaningful talaga siya. So, ayun, hanggang doon lang yung video niya. Ang masasabi ko, the beauty, the sounds, the places, the clothes, and everything in the video is so beautiful talaga. And she's so pretty. At marami sa kanyang umiidolo. At hindi man ako fans ng Blackpink, pero makikita mo talaga na kung paano nila ini-improve yung mga video nila. At ang gaganda talaga ng mga video nila. At hahangat hahanga ka talaga kasi ang gaganda nila, promise. And etong si Rose, yung ginawa niyang song on the background is very, very, very interesting, very beautiful, like her. So, yun lang yung masasabi ko. And kapag I hope na nag-enjoy kayo dito sa vlog na ito. So, kung nagustuhan nyo to, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit my notification bell para lagi kayo updated sa mga videos ko. So, any suggestion pa po kayo ng reaction video ko. So, keep safe everyone, and God bless.